Still on the expressway vandalism, Transport Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen noted that the damages inflicted on the expressway tally to around $5 million, which equates to 707 million shillings. The CS earlier on issued a statement calling on the arrest of the perpetrators, noting that many were captured on CCTVs and the media.
We've come here to assure the investors of this very important project that the government of Kenya is going to do everything humanly possible to make sure that we bring all the perpetrators to justice. Fortunately, most of them were captured in camera, in the CCTV cameras that were here. We have the footages. The police have arrested not less than 50 people in relation to the acts that happened here yesterday, but you know we had almost 2,000 people operating from here. We will do everything humanly possible to ensure that each and every mandamano and mass action and criminal who was here yesterday is going to be brought to justice. As per the agreement we have on Moja Express, the people of Kenya, the taxpayer, is going to pay for this damage. We will not allow the already overburdened Wanjiku to pay this on their own. We will make sure that all those who organized this mass action yesterday and this targeted attack are going to personally pay. They will carry vicarious liability for every damage that was caused, and for every penny that will be paid from the exchequer, they will be asked to